All right, I've shown you how to do the push-up. You ready to rock out this move? Hey there, I'm celebrity trainer Holly Rillinger. Today I'm going to show you the proper way to do a push-up so that you can maximize your results and tone your arms. Let's go get this. Get on the ground with your arms directly below your shoulders. Legs are straight and flexing. Lower down until your arms are at 90-degree angles. Push right back up again. Keep your alignment intact. All right, I've shown you how to do the push-up. You ready to rock out this move? Let's do this. So I want you to get into a high plank first. Make sure you set yourself up right. Your hands are gonna be just wider than your shoulders. Get your feet back behind you, right? Make sure your butt's not too low or too high. You're in perfect alignment. Now we're gonna drop our chest almost to the ground to where our arms are in 90-degree angles. We're gonna do 5. Ready? Here we go. Drop down, exhale, push. That's 1. Drop down, exhale, push. That's 2. Notice my body, it's straight. Is yours? Drop it down. That's 3. We got 2 to go. We've got this. Good. 1 more. Nice deep breath. Push, push, push. Great job. That's 5. It's not easy, right? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to do 5 push-ups, take 30 seconds to recover, do 7 push-ups, take 30 seconds to recover, and then do 10. That's your workout.